Okay, first of all, what is network diagram? Network diagram is a picture showing how the network components like router, devices, and firewall connect and work together. This network diagram is important to make technical detail easier to understand and also helps in making better decisions and communicating clearly. There are some benefits from network diagram, which is spot potential issues early, ensure the network can grow as needed, and also improve security by showing where to place the firewall. Next, for the stakeholder, it shows how the network will work, helps meet organization goals, and also make troubleshooting easier.
Problem statement. This scenario is a family of 6 parents and 5 teenagers. All recently moved into a new single-story home in need of internet installation service. The father realized that connectivity in his home is important and therefore decide to contact the telecommunication company for this matter.
The internet connection begins with an internet service provider, which is ISP, using cables such as fiber optic, coaxial, or DSL. This connection enters the modem, which is convert the ISP signal to digital signal that can be used by network devices. The modem is then connected to a router using an Ethernet cable. The router acts as a central hub, distributing the internet connection to the devices either through Wi-Fi or cables. To extend the Wi-Fi coverage to area that cannot reach, an access point can be used to connect the router via an Ethernet cable. The access point use radio frequencies to provide broader Wi-Fi coverage. Finally, devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, or smart TVs connect to either the router or the access point depending to the distance and the signal strength, allowing them to access the internet efficiently.
Next is topology involved. The following diagrams show a star topology networks where all devices are connected to a central hub, a router in the living room. The router acts as a communication hub, connecting directly to the modem for internet access and distributing the connection to device throughout the house. Each room connects to the router either via wire or wireless connection. These are then connected via wire to devices such as PC, laptops, printer, while wireless devices such as smartphone rely on wireless access point also link to the router for extended Wi-Fi coverage to maintain stability throughout the house. A wireless access point extends the Wi-Fi signal, allowing the better coverage for areas that are quite far from the router, such as bedroom. This is more critical in the single-story home where there is significant interferences from wall and furniture, like bedroom 1, 2, and 3, and master bedroom are then connected to the network either via wire or wireless Ethernet cable. For instance, the laptop in bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 are connected through wired connection for more stable internet suitable for high bandwidth activities such as video conferencing or streaming. The smartphone in this room rely on Wi-Fi for flexibility and mobility. In the same way, bedroom 3 has a PC connected via a wire connection, while the smartphone in this room uses Wi-Fi. The master bedroom has several devices such as PC and a printer connected via internet, while the smartphone connected wirelessly. Here the breakdown including the total cost range. A star topology in a single-story house requires certain devices and materials to work properly. The cost of a professional Ethernet cable installation for a single-story house is usually estimated to be from 200 to 500 depending on the number of cables and the difficulty of the installation. The estimated cost to implement a star topology network based on the diagram is around 850 to 2,200 for initial cost, depending on the equipment and installation required. For example, the cost includes a modem between 150 to 300. Choosing a high-quality router, price estimated between 200 to 500. A working wireless point to extend Wi-Fi coverage to the entire house is likely to be from 150 to 400. Ethernet cable, 50 ringgit to 150. With a monthly subscription to the internet, this estimate cost for a year can go up to around 2,050 to 5,800 depending on the span and the type of connection plan, such as fiber optic or DSL. Additionally, costs are necessary in the improving performance, such as a Wi-Fi repeater costing around 100 ringgit to 300 for ensuring network stability, like a UPS costing 200 to 600. However, the total cost will depending on the needs and the house, the size of the area, and the equipment chosen.
The conclusion, the star topology is highly effective for home networks, offering stability, efficiency, and centralized connectivity. It is ideal for families moving into a new home, meeting the demands of remote work, e-learning, gaming, and streaming. The process involves checking infrastructure availability, such as fiber optic or DSL, selecting a suitable internet plan, and installing devices like modem, router, and access point. With proper planning and professional support, a stable and high-speed network can ensure uninterrupted digital access for the household.